Stuck as fuck. I just wanted to bring you guys a quick update because I am at work, so it's gonna be kind of like a day in the life type dealio. That truck back there, I actually got to take that probably about 40 minutes across town to deliver that tank, and then I'm also going to be taking this truck as well to deliver this tank in a few minutes. That's the newest thing recently, is that I've gotten my CDL, so commercial driver's license, so I can drive the big trucks now. And I've just been, you know, trying to focus in and everything, and I haven't had any time to do anything on the car. She's still looking good, bags are working fine, haven't had any issues. I'm going to put the camera on my head whenever I'm driving so you guys can get a little bit of POV of me in the big truck driving. Because that's gonna be different than me driving in the WRX. Hopefully you guys do enjoy. I see you guys when I get in the truck. Alrighty guys, so now I'm in the other truck, 39 minutes to the next spot. Already dropped off the tank off the red truck. I didn't film any of the other one because I had to go to the bathroom first, and I forgot after I got out the bathroom to put the camera on. Alright, let's get it.
And we gon' show you everything you need to do. Feeling good when I give all my praise to you. Nobody can ever take me from you. I can bring you to the light from the darkest room. Then feed you to the suns all alone. But in this world, everybody plays a role. And I'm just here to make sure you don't sell your soul. Please don't sell your soul. Feeling good when I give all my praise to you.
Stuck as fuck.
2 hours later.
Brother, what's that?
Alrighty, alright, I'm back to the shop. As you guys can see, my second delivery, I didn't record anything when I got there, but my second delivery, it was too wet. The truck ended up getting stuck a couple times, and yeah, they told me to just leave it. I got some other stuff to do, so yeah, I'm gonna just give you guys a quick little walk around of what the truck looks like. It's pretty bad. This side was probably the worst. It was buried all the way up to almost the lug nuts on this side. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and hop in the white truck, and then I gotta go do a service contract. So yeah, hope you guys have been enjoying so far. This is just a quick little day in the life of basically what I do when I'm not doing YouTube.